Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be solving another SQL problem. Let's take a look at this problem on the report. And here's the problem statement. We are given two tables, students and grades. Students contain three columns, ID, name, and marks. Grades contains grade from 1 to 10, min mark, and max mark. So for grade 1, the mark ranges from 0 to 9. Grade 2, the mark ranges from 10 to 19. Grade 3 is 20 to 29, etc. And grade 10, the mark ranges from 90 to 100. Teddy gives Eve a task to generate a report containing three columns, name, grade, and mark. So our task is to generate a report that contains these three columns. Caddy doesn't want the names of those students who received a grade lower than 8. No lower than 8. The report must be in descending order by grade, meaning higher grades are entered first. If there is more than one student with the same grade from A to 10 assigned to them, order those particular students by their name alphabetically. Finally, if the grade is lower than 8, use null as their name and list them by their grades in descending order. Alright, sounds like there's a lot of things that we need to take care of in terms of ordering, and the name should be null if the grade is less than 8. If there is more than one student with the same grade, 1 to 7, assign them. Order those particular students by their marks in ascending order. Alright, so let's read this prompt statement again to make sure that we have everything in line. We have name, grade, and mark descending order by grade, and if same grade, then we order by name. If the grade is lower than 8, grade less than 8, then name is null, and list them by grades in descending order as well. If there is more than one student with the same grade, then same grade. In here we're dealing with grades that are greater than 8 and grades that are less than 8. So if the student's grade is less than 8, then the name will be null. We order by grade, but if those students have the same grade, then we will order them by their marks in ascending order. Alright, okay. So this is our task. Let's take a look at the sample input. Here we have student ID from 1 to 6. Name Julia. Her marks is 88. Samantha is 68. Maria is 99. So the output, we should see the name, grade, and mark. So Maria, grade 10. Maria, grade 10, mark is 99. Alright, so how do we define the grade if grade column is not in student table? And here Scarlett grade 8 and mark is 78. Let's take a look at this null value here. So 63, this must be Ashley, because for the mark 63, the grade is less than 8, so the grade is 7. Therefore, we return null for the name. Let's take a look at the table schema again. As you can see, we don't have the common column to join these two tables together. Students table has 3 column: ID, name, mark. Grades has grade, min mark, and max mark. So we cannot join these two together. But what we can do is that we can create a grade column that would use the marks value from students table. So based on this grades table, we can identify which grade the student belongs based on the marks. Right? For example, in here, Julia, her mark is 88. So 88 is within this min mark and max mark. So Julia's grade is 9. So we can use this table to create a small table to query from, and it will be in a subquery. So let's do that, and I will be solving this problem using MySQL. So first I'm going to create that table that I mentioned to define the grade for the student. So we are going to create a grade column here in students table. Select ID, name, marks. And now we're going to do case when to create grades column. Case when marks between 0 and 9. Then grade is 1, right? When marks between 10 and 19. 10 and 19. than 2. So we keep doing this for the rest of the grades. So let's copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1, 2, 20, 29, grade 3, and then 30, 39. It's gonna be grade 4, 40, 49. Is gonna be grade 5, 50, 59 is gonna be grade 6, 60 and 69, 69 is gonna be grade 7, between 70 to 79 is gonna be grade 8, 90 to 99 is gonna be grade 9, 80 to 89 it's gonna be grade 9, and 90 to 100 going to be grade 10 and 10. We call this column grade from students table. So let's run this real quick. Between 10 and 9, 10. Okay, so I made a mistake here. It's a typo. Run again. Alright, so in here, as you can see, we have a table that has ID, name, marks, and grade. Awesome. So now this is our table. And we are going to select name, grade here we just create, and mark from this subquery. We call this table grade. The name, grade, mark, we order by, we're going to order by grade, descending order. If same grade, then we order by name. And another thing is, if grade is less than 8, so in here, I'm going to do select case when grade less than 8, then null, else name, and we call this column name, and as name. So for grade from 1 to 7, name is null. We also order by grade in descending order. If same grade, we order by marks in ascending order because name is all null. So in here, we're going to add marks. All right, so let's run this. Mark. Okay, I think there's a typo again. It's marks. Alright, I passed the sample test cases. Let's submit this. Success. Here's the expected output. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.